Hello students, in this video we are going to understand about Fusion 360. So let's get started. In our last video we have already discussed the course modules in Fusion 360, and today from the course module 1, that is Introduction to Fusion 360, we are going to cover the first topic, that is about Fusion 360. So Fusion 360, if you go by the definition, is a cloud-based CAD/CAM tool for collaborative product development that combine industrial design, mechanical engineering, and machining into one software solutions. So, in this definition, there are three important points which we need to understand. The first one is cloud-based CAD/CAM tool. When we talk about cloud-based CAD/CAM tool, we need to understand that the whole data or the whole designs which you are working on, all of your data will be stored on cloud. It means it can be assessed if you are working in a team project, right? So it can be assessed from any of the locations by your team members so that they can collaborate their idea for the product development. So this is very important, like in the present current situation like COVID-19. So any of your data and design can be assessed by any of your members, and the changes done by each member can be followed through the timeline, which is a feature given in Fusion 360. And the third important point, it combines industrial design, mechanical engineering, and machining into one software solutions. It means earlier most of the design software we need to use separate software for the designing, separate software for the machining, and similarly for the simulation. But Fusion 360 is a one-stop solutions which provide the integration between all these domains. And the most important part, it is free to institution, educators, students, and available for both Mac and PC user, as well as it can be accessed from web browser from the other devices like smartphone and tablets. So let's summarize some of the important points about Fusion 360. As we have already discussed, it is a cloud-based CAD/CAM software. It provides integration with CAD/CAM and CAE, and its graphic user interface is very user-friendly. It can perform more complicated work on cloud servers, and it is, this point is important, it provides integration between various modeling uh, like freeform, parametric, sheet metal, direct, surface, and mesh. Next, as we have already discussed the collaborative part, so it is easy to collaborate with your other team members, and you can share your work accordingly. And this point we have already covered, that it can be accessed through desktop, laptop, tab, and mobile phone. And the important point, it is free for the education community. So I hope you have a brief understanding of the Fusion 360. So this is all for this video. Thank you.